Hey everybody, it's Doug and Nancy with the Dorn team, and we are really honored to be interviewing Dr. Shannon Thieroff today of Choice Restorative Medicine. Hey Shannon, how are you?
Hi guys, I'm
Hi,
great.
Shannon.
It's great to have you.
Good to see you.
Thanks.
Would you tell us a little bit about yourself and about your business?
Sure. I am one of the owners of Choice Restorative Medicine, which is a medically integrated practice in the north area of Pittsburgh. And a medically integrated practice combines traditional medical treatment with alternative medicine. And we focus on disorders of the neuromusculoskeletal system. So we treat things like back pain and headaches and neck pain. And we also do a lot of work with regenerative medicine, like stem cell therapies and platelet-rich plasma, including aesthetic and cosmetic treatments with those types of things. So we treat all different types of patients, all different ages.
Wow,
Awesome.
that's very different from traditional chiropractic.
Absolutely. Yeah. I started out as a regular chiropractor. And then over the years of being in practice in Pittsburgh, I realized that people wanted access to different things. And so if I could create an environment where they could have access to what was new and inventive, in addition to what has been used for years and years, that it was just a nice blend for people. So our patients really do get to choose based on what they're comfortable working, with and what they're interested in.
Boy, that's really cool. Where are you
That's
located?
great.
Yeah, we're right in McIntyre Square, next to the Giant Eagle. So if you face the Giant Eagle, we're directly to the left, and you'll see our Choice Medical side right outside.
That's awesome. North Hills, everybody. And so what's our
That's
first question for
great.
Shannon?
So, Dr. Shannon, how do you think people can best support small businesses right now?
Yes. Well, I think in general, supporting small business always makes sense. And there's a big emphasis on Small Business Saturday. But the rest of the year, I think it's easy to get out of the habit of focusing on small business. So I think the best thing that you can do is intentionally look for places that are owned by individuals and aren't just massive chains, because it's easy. You can default into driving down McKnight Road and going to a million chains. Maybe shopping from small business might not always be as convenient, but if you're thoughtful about it, you can find a lot of ways to support small business. Like this afternoon, I have to get things to work on a paint project, and I'm going to drive past Lowe's and Home Depot to go to the hardware store in Bellevue and get what I need. So you just
Great.
really have to think about it and make it a goal.
That's always been my favorite hardware store. That's where I started.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I went in the other because I needed epoxy for cement, and the front desk was like, "Yeah, L2 on the right, halfway down, lots of glue." I'm okay, and there it was. So it was nice to be able to get help right away and not have to chase somebody in an orange apron.
Yeah,
That's great.
So what's that hardware store called these days?
T&M.
TNM in Bellevue. Good. Another local business. All right, here's our second question. What about your business do you think it's important that people know during this time?
Well, I think that we bring a unique way of approaching health to the table. So, people really are worried about staying healthy and doing the things that they need to do. There's been an especially huge amount of stress put on people emotionally, and that creates different issues with our body. It reduces the efficiency of our nervous system and our immune system. People also have significant ergonomic stress. Like there are so many people working from home in bad workstations.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Yeah. Yeah. And even, last week we had people watching television that were coming in literally with like headaches and all wound up just from everything that was happening on TV. So it's not an easy time for people. So the methods that we use really help people maximize their health without using drugs and surgery, help you feel better. When you feel better, you can work better, you can parent better. And as people struggle to stay active, the less active we are, the more we tend to hurt. So it creates this bad spiral. But if we can help keep people feeling good so that they feel like they can be active, then everybody ends up coming out of this a whole lot healthier. So I think that's really what we bring to the table, and what people should know is that, right now you should be doing things to take care of yourself so that you stay healthy and you feel good. You deserve that.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Yeah, definitely. Got to take care of yourself. So one other question, Shannon, what can someone listening to this interview do today to help raise awareness about your company?
Sure. I think lots of companies right now, one of our biggest challenges was we used to do a lot of things in person where we would teach classes and workshops and, do health fairs and spinal screenings and things like that. And we really can't do that anymore. So in this age of digital, we've really had to, people are finding everything online now. Most people aren't out wandering around just like window shopping for doctors or whatever. So I think that the very best thing that somebody could do for us right now is if you are a client in our practice and you can leave us a good review on Google or Facebook, that's awesome because that helps people find you. If you are somebody that hasn't been one of our clients yet, but you're interested in learning more about us or supporting us, if you like our page, which is Choice Restorative Medicine on Facebook, we also have an Instagram. That way you can follow our posts and see what we're educating people about and share our posts. And that just helps us reach more people who may need us. And that would be great.
Yeah, absolutely, Shannon. Hey, any final thoughts before we sign off for today?
No, just that I'm always super thankful for people that support small business in the community. And I know you guys yourselves, you are your own business. So I hope that people are supporting you. And thank you for being a part of our community and for keeping an eye out for, for us.
Well, thanks for joining us today.
And thanks for being you.
Yeah,
we love
absolutely. So, hey, this is Nancy and Doug with the Dorn team signing off for today. Thank you, Dr. Shannon from Choice Restorative Medicine.
Thank you, guys.
We'll see all you guys next time.
Thanks so much and stay safe.
Thank you.